Hi, it's Heather Miche. We've got a cooking, food, kitchen tip for you here. And that is how to keep your greens fresh. So stay tuned. I'll show you this tip and how you can certainly save plastic, but also keep your salad greens fresh. So this is one of the big plastic containers of baby spinach, this one. And the manufacturers, several, like Earthbound Organics and other store chain brands, they've started going to this soft peel back top on these great packages. Problem is that they're absolutely worthless as far as a seal to keep your greens fresh, because they really don't. You press it down, but the reality is that there's gaps and there gets air, which then makes your greens not stay fresh in the fridge. So I love the idea that they are using these from the sustainable, zero, or at least lower waste standpoint, because this soft film coverage actually makes this container 33% less plastic than the solid top ones that have been used forever. So forget the top with the film and either save some of these harder topper containers that you can actually completely close and just convert your greens into ones that have a good seal. Yes, I know those are not all the greens from the container with the soft top, but just seal it up and pop it in the fridge, and you won't have any food waste. And then you can just, when your greens are done, you can rinse out your container and it's ready to go for your next greens, whether it's spinach, mixed greens, a spring mix, arugula, what have you, or greens that you've harvested from your own gardens. So thanks for watching, and save food waste, eliminate food waste by making sure that your greens have a good home in sealed plastic or a glass container that has a sealed lid. Thanks for watching. Thanks for thinking sustainability. And that's your kitchen food moving towards zero waste tip for the day. Keep great care.